So here we are. This is the review for your 7th grade Unit 2 test. This is the review we gave you, so I just want you to go through. We're going to read each question and then work through it. So number 1, Cole read 50 pages of a new mystery book the first day he bought it. After the first day, he read 22 pages a day. If the book was 450 pages, which of the following equations could be used to determine how many days it took Cole to finish? So important information. He read 50. Sorry, I thought it was on highlighter. My bad. Okay, 50 pages a day. After the first day, he read 22 pages a day. If the book was 450, so that means equals 450, 50 pages of a new mystery, and then 22 pages a day. So we need to go through. We need to write this equation. So I'm going to say was 450. So it equals 450. Okay, and then 50 pages right off the bat, and then plus the 22 pages a day. So this is my equation that I wrote, and I didn't even look at the answer choices, okay? But I'm going to look for something that's similar to what I wrote. And if you look, answer choice A fits what I wrote. It's just 22x and 50 are flip-flopped. Okay, number 2. An equation is shown below. It's 8x plus 20 equals 4. Sorry, trying to make it a little bit bigger. Which number line represents the solution? Okay, so first we're going to highlight what's important. This is important, and which number line represents the solution. So here we're going to solve for 8x plus 20 equals 4. So I have some room down here, so I'm going to say 8x plus 20. It is not looking pretty. Maybe that'll help. 8, no, that didn't help either. Here we are. Plus 20 equals 4. Okay, so that being said, we're going to solve for x, and we do that by moving everything away. So I'm going to move away the 20. So I'm going to subtract 20. That's going to cancel that, and then we're going to have 8x left on the left, and 4 minus 20, which is negative 16. Okay, so we have 8x equals negative 16. We're going to divide both sides by 8 because 8 and x are multiplying, and we're going to get x is negative 2. Okay, so we should have a closed dot because it's equal to on negative 2. And it doesn't look like they line up, but it looks like pretty good, so B is going to be our answer choice. Okay, number 3. An inequality is an inequality in one variable is shown below. Which number line represents the solution for the inequality? Okay, so we're going to highlight what's important. So which number line represents, and then it's this equation. Okay, so I'm going to go through, and I'm going to solve it. I'm going to say 9 minus 3x is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so I'm going to solve for x. So I've got to move everything away. First, I'm going to subtract the 9 from both sides. And it's going to be negative 3x. 18 minus 9 is 9. I'm going to drop down my sign. Okay, so I have negative 3x equals or is greater than or equal to 9. I'm going to, negative 3 and x are multiplying, so I'm going to divide. Okay, but the rule, remember the rule for dividing by a negative or multiplying by a negative, we have to flip this sign. So I'm going to flip that sign and make it less than or equal to negative 3. Okay, so that being said, that all works out right there, and that finishes number 3. So we're going to flip to the next page. Real quick. I'm sorry, I didn't show you the answer. So we're going to have a closed dot on negative 3, and it's going to be shaded to the left, which is answer choice A. I'm sorry, I didn't finish that for you guys. Okay, Okay, so we're going to look at number 4. I don't know if let me check this. I'm going to, okay. So, number 4, it says an equation in one variable is shown below. Which problem situation could represent the equation? Okay, so 8 plus 0.5x equals 28. So this is important right here. Okay, and now we're gonna see which one matches. So a cat sitting service charges 8 for each day. That would mean 8x plus 75 cents each cat. So that's doing two variables, okay? So that's not going to be our answer choice. B, a person downloaded an app for their iPad that cost $8 plus some songs that cost 75 cents each. How many songs could the person pay for? 28, okay? So $8 for the app, and then plus songs that were 75 cents each. 0.75x equals 28. I'm pretty sure that's our match, right? But let's go on and read C. A rodeo charges 75 cents to park plus $8 per carnival ride. So that's saying 8x plus 0.75. So that's not going to work. And then D, Grace earns $8.75 an hour, so that's 875x. So that's not going to work. So it's going to be answer choice B. Number 5, an inequality is in one variable is shown below. Which problem situation could represent the inequality? Okay, it is not showing inequality on my screen, so let me look at the actual paper real quick. Okay, so it's saying greater than or equal to 17. So I'm sorry, I don't know why that didn't convert over. So I'm going to rewrite the inequality right here. So it's 8x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 17. So that's what we're looking for, okay? So a dog fence in the shape of an isosceles triangle. The fence is 17 yards long, more than 17 yards long. The length of the unequal side is 7 yards. What is the length of equal of each side? I don't really, that doesn't have anything to do with the 8. Rachel is younger than 17. Well, that's younger than 17. That's less than 17. So that's not going to work already. There are 8 marker boxes in the desk drawer. There are also 7 loose markers in the drawer. The total amount of markers in the drawer is at least 17. So that means it's greater than or equal to 17. How many? I think that's going to be our answer. But let's go ahead and read D. 3 swim teams were formed for 17 students. Team A has 4 students. Team B and C have the same number of students. How many students are on Team B and C? That's not going to work either. So our answer is going to be answer choice C. Okay. Number 6. See, it kind of changed a couple of them. The model below represents an equation, and this is in a box. Okay, and it's saying 21 is the same as x plus 9.4. Okay, so it's saying that 21 is equal to 2x plus 9.4 because they're saying this box, these boxes are the same as this box here. So they're equal. So you set them equal to each other. So that's where I got this equation right here. Okay. So what is the value of x? Okay. So we're solving for x. We're going to move everything over. So we're going to move the 9 point. I'm sorry, it's so messy. Sometimes you get not enough room on the screen. 9.4. 21 minus 9.4 is going to be 11.6. So 11.6 equals 2x. So you're going to divide both sides by 2. Okay, so 11.6 divided by 2 is going to be 5, 10, 5.8. So your answer here is going to be 5.8. Now this is the end of the first video. There's going to have to be 2 videos just for time. So make sure you watch the second video to look at the rest of the questions.